see equality and relational operators in a detailed manner. So this is also an important video for brushing up your fundamentals in programming language. So this equality and relational operators are not only present in Java, these operators are present in most of the programming languages. Almost all the programming languages support equality and relation operators. So now we are trying to I'm going to explain each operator using some sample fragment of code. Double equal to means what it does is it will try to check both numbers are equal. So in this case what I am trying to do is int a equal to 8, int b equal to 9. So I have declared two variables and I have set values as 8 and 9 for the variables a and b respectively. So here what I am trying to do is I am trying to do equality check. A double equal to means it will try to check both variable values are equal. So in this case both variable values are not equal, so it would print false as an output. So if I change the value of a to 9, if I run this program, could you guess the answer for this? Yes, true. So this is the equality operator. And then not equal to means the reverse of this operator. So if I run this program, could you guess the output? Yes, false. Sorry, I haven't changed the operator at all. So if I run this program, what could the output? False, right? If I am changing this output to changing the input to 10, if I run this program, what could be the output? Yes, true. And then the next operator is greater than means it will try to check whether the first value is greater than second value. So a equal to 10, b equal to 9. In this case a is greater than b. So what could be the output for this fragment of code? Exactly, for true. If I am trying to give this operator, which means greater than or equal to, what it's saying is it should be either greater than b or it should be equal to b. In this case a is not greater than b but a is equal to b. So if you run this program, what would be the output? Exactly, true. And then next operator is less than. So less than, if I am changing this to 9, I am changing the operator to less than. If I run this program, could you guess the output? Exactly, true. So if I am changing this a to 10 and changing the operator from less than to less than or equal to, could you guess the output? Exactly true. So I think you got the intention of relational operators in a detailed manner. If you have any other doubt, please try to convey those doubts to me so that I can clear your doubts.